Hi, friends. My name is Toni Cureton. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Life Skills FYI. Life Skills FYI promotes a set of core adult capabilities to manage work, family, and relationships successfully. It's designed to help build the skills adults need for life. Life Skills FYI teaches skills of planning, awareness, focus, self control, and flexibility. They are daily living skills to promote successful independent living, skills that every adult should know but were never taught in school. Life Skills FYI premieres on Thursdays at 10 a.m. on our My Virtual Academy Facebook page and on Instagram. Today on Life Skills FYI, we are going to talk about how to make elderly seniors feel happy. So, many older adults go through major life changes that could make them more vulnerable to depression. It's common for aging adults to feel lonely and sad at some point in their lives due to everything from financial difficulties to limited mobility. The key to boosting a senior's mood is to address the issues of sadness as soon as possible before they become real concerns. Today, I'd like to give you a few tips that you can use to help your older adults cope with loneliness and improve their quality of life, turning your senior loved one's frown into a smile. So, first, eating together. Many older adults feel lonely when it comes to mealtime because they often eat alone. Sitting down at a dinner table with your loved ones could greatly enhance his or her psychological and emotional health. Devote specific days and times of the week where you can have a meal with your loved ones, which will provide a social gathering with family and uplift his or her spirit. Use this bonding time to talk about your loved one's day and what's happening with the rest of the family. Regular socialization can boost a senior's overall health and emotional well being. For families living in assisted living facilities, it can be a wonderful solution when their aging loved ones need companionship and socialization just a few hours each week, or they need minor assistance with daily household tasks. Elderly loved ones that are blessed to live in their own homes can receive home health care assistance. This is designed to help seniors thrive and maintain their independence while living in the comfort of their own home. You can take this opportunity to visit and eat with them on a regular basis. Next, try nature therapy. A simple outing to a park or a walk around the neighborhood may boost your loved one's emotional health. The key is to make it at least a weekly adventure that he or she can excitedly anticipate. The fresh air and change of scenery is a wonderful way to boost your loved one's mood. And it also provides a chance to socialize with the family while getting some exercise that enhances his or her overall well being. Next, you can get or you can share a pet. Getting your loved ones a pet may keep his or her spirits up while you're away. Taking care of an animal is also a huge responsibility that can give your loved one a sense of purpose and make him or her feel needed. When choosing a pet for your loved one, keep his or her health and living space in mind. A dog or a cat would be a wonderful companion for a senior who is fairly active and they live in a healthy environment in their own house. If your loved one has limited mobility or is housebound, you can share your cat or dog by bringing them over to visit your elderly loved one. Or You can give them a low maintenance pet like a fish or a bird. Seniors who want to remain healthy as they age can benefit in a variety of ways when they own or interact with pets. Pets help your loved ones to feel like they can accomplish all of their daily tasks, and they prevent illness, and they provide focus on living a healthier and more fulfilling life. Next, you can make use of modern technology. Teach your loved ones how to use a computer or other electronic gadgets to contact family members and friends. Set up free accounts online, such as a video chat service, so that your loved ones can use it whenever they're feeling lonely or bored. On the days when you can't visit your loved one in person, scheduling regular times to talk together online can help him or her remain cheerful and socially connected. Next, play games. Whether your loved one is unhappy because of boredom or mobility issues, both situations could negatively impact his or her outlook on life. No matter which situation your loved one is facing, playing cards or games like checkers together is an exciting and effective way to engage the mind while spending quality time with family, which will surely brighten your loved one's day. If your loved one needs regular companionship to ward off loneliness, consider playing board games, card games, doing puzzles, or coloring together, or playing video games. Families that engage their loved ones in fun activities help to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, dementia, stroke, and Parkinson's disease. Playing games are one of the many ways we can make life easier for seniors. Also, promote a sense of purpose in your loved one's life. Encouraging your older adults to take up a hobby such as crafting or gardening. You should also encourage them to try social pastime activities such as yoga or volunteering work at schools, local schools or churches, or for their local charity. These are all ways that will help keep your elderly loved one more connected socially and engaged and fighting off loneliness and depression. So, in conclusion, the key to making your elderly loved ones happy is to show them that they're loved. Love makes the world go round, and showing aging older adults that you love them, need them, listen to them, and hug them, these are all the exact expressions of love that's needed to let them know that they are supported and valued and an important member of the family. Well, friends, that is all my time for today. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to reach out and contact me with any questions. My number is 586-842-0558. That's 586-842-0558. Again, I'm Toni Cureton, and I'll see you next time for more Life Skills FYI. And remember to always adult responsibly.